until Nick tells you otherwise.
Okay, hold your
Parents,
paddles up,
watch your
Hunter.
children. Children, watch your parents give up. See you guys at 45 minutes.
No, not yet, baby, not yet. You just hold it right here until he says. He's gonna tell us. Oh my goodness, we're in the water! We can totally go canoeing.
All right, folks. First things first. How we doing today?
Good!
Good, good.
No, we're good. No, we're not good.
I'm doing great.
No.
Thanks for asking.
Oh,
How kind of you.
you made it
Paddles
look
up
like
for me,
we were in
guys.
trouble. Okay, paddles up.
Inside hand going on the handle right here.
Watch.
Outside hand close to that blade. We'll dig
Watch.
the blade all the way in the water, pull the
This
water
goes like
all
this.
the way
Hold right
back.
here.
But we'll do it
Hold right
together,
here.
guys, on the count of 3, all
Got
right?
it? Hold it.
Ready, set, go.
Drop it. Hey.
Folks, on what number?
Oh.
3, yeah.
Wait.
I didn't get to 1 yet.
Wait, Hunter. You gotta hold it.
Numbers are hard.
You gotta hold up here.
We'll work on the shapes and colors
And hold
later,
right here,
okay?
And then you do it.
All right, for real now. On the count of 3, 1, 2, and
now
3.
go.
Stroke.
Go.
Stroke. Follow that paddle in front of you. Make the same mistakes they make. It's all one big game of follow the leader, guys. And by the looks of it, some of us are already losing.
Good job, Hunter.
Let me welcome you folks to world famous Davy Crockett Explorer Canoes. My name's Nick. I'm gonna be your river guide out here for the next fun-filled 45 minutes.
Wait a minute. We're gonna move faster than that.
I said fun-filled, guys.
Okay.
45 minutes just based off our current speed, lack of enthusiasm, and how many kids we have in the boat. In the back, steering us safely around the river. My best friend, my identical brother, his name's Isaac. I want to turn around and give Isaac a nice big howdy.
Howdy.
That's right.
Good job, Hunter.
We have 3 rules out here for you guys. Rule
Hang it
number
on
1,
tight.
always be
Hang on
paddling unless I
tight.
tell you otherwise. This is a
Good job.
real life canoe, no track, no motor. You know row, we know go, all right?
Okay, ready? Go.
Rule number 2, no intentional splashing. We have an attraction for that. And rule number 3, no standing or switching seats at any time. Only a full stands in a moving canoe. So with that being said, I'm gonna have a seat, help you guys out. But folks, are we ready to go faster?
Oh no. Yes.
All right, paddle faster.
Oh,
I'll help you guys out.
You're going fast. Woohoo! Are you going faster, Hunter? Heavy Hunter is stirring. That's Hunter. Careful, Hunter. Hold it. It's gonna hit the wall. Okay, now go. Hang on tight. Hang on tight. That's good right there. Hang on tight. Okay, put it in the water, but hold on tight. Okay. Oh my God. Look at those. Look. Look, there's a village. I'm trying, Sophia. I'm trying. No brakes. Okay, keep hanging on, Hunter. Hold on tight. Yeah, put it in the
Looking
water.
good, folks, looking good. The paddling needs a little bit of work, but you guys still look good. That's the most important part, right?
Be careful, Hunter. Don't let it go.
I got a question for you guys. Anybody seen the fireworks from a canoe before?
No. Oh,
No.
you can't, right? Because they...
Well, at this rate, we will be. Now keep paddling.
It was great. We're stuck on here.
On your right-hand side here, guys, we do have Tom Sawyer's Island,
Oh, Tom Sawyer's
aka
Island.
Disneyland Daycare.
Sorry.
Island does close at 5, so make sure you pick up your kids
Okay.
by then. Because if not, we're going to take your kids to Fantasyland, drop them off at Small World, glue their feet to the ground. It'll be our newest animatronics. All right, guys, go ahead and take a break. We'll take our first break right here.
All right. Woo. Wait, we're taking a break.
So we're about
Yeah,
halfway
take a break
done
like
here,
this.
folks,
Hold
but
on
this
to
next half's a little bit more dangerous,
Like this.
a little bit more treacherous. We're going to be going uphill. Playing, it's worse than that, folks. We're going to be in full public view.
Oh, shoot.
The only reason it's dangerous is because we're in Orange County.
Woohoo! That's so much
No
fun!
one out here is going to judge you, so it won't just be me and Isaac. So let's out, while we're out here, guys, let's smile while we paddle. If we're not smiling, just grit your teeth with frustration. They can't tell the difference from that far away, all right? So let's make this look fun.
You ready?
Make it look like it was a good idea. Trick more people come on this ride just like we tricked you. That way our line gets longer and the other lines get shorter. We'll help each other out, all right? We'll trade off for you.
We did get tricked.
All right, folks. Paddles up for me, guys.
Ready?
You guys a nice long break after the second half, all right? On the count of 3. 1, 2, and 3. Stroke. Stroke. If I do this any longer, I'm gonna have a heat. Stroke. I work at Disney because I'm broke. That part wasn't out a joke. All right. Keep paddling, keep smiling. I'm gonna have a seat help you guys out.
Stop it. Be careful, Hunter. Keep hanging on tight. Hey, oh man, he makes us go fast, you guys. Dang. I thought that was me. We're going up the hill, Grayson.
No, we're not.
I don't know, but mine's gonna be wet.
We're not going up a hill.
You see Carl? I think they moved. They were too much in the sun. Oh, good job, Hunter. You were sort of stopping us. Hey, Grayson, come on. Anthony, Carl, what's up?
Hello.
Say hi. Oh wait, don't stop paddling. Hi.
Hi.
Turn in, so.
Yeah.
Oops. Keep paddling, Hunter.
No, stop paddling, please.
Oh yeah, I thought you didn't want to sit behind Sophia.
No, but the boy's sitting in front of us.
Is there a time limit on this ride? We're gonna make it, right?
That's not something, isn't it?
Did you see that? That's a barrel right there in the water. There's a jump. Your arm's getting tired, Maya? Look, all those people are waiting for us. We're trying! We're trying! Wait, Maya. I gotta go with Maya. Sorry. Good job, Hunter! Who's slowing us down? I put in the thing in the water.
You can't paddle with just one hand.
Yeah, so true.
Go ahead and take a break, folks. I deserved it.
We're taking a break. Good job.
How we feeling, folks? A little tired?
Feeling good.
A little winded?
Woohoo!
Well, I want to hear about it. You guys been doing this for 6 minutes. Isaac and I gotta do this for 6 more hours. I got a question for you guys. Anybody's first time on the canoes with us? Show of hands. Yeah, I had a feeling. My back, my arms. It's gonna be a long day. Folks, feel that? We're coming up to our 50-foot drop.
Oh no, we're gonna drop.
Splash Mountain.
Oh.
See them all smiling and laughing. It's because their water's a lot cleaner than ours.
Yeah, they got flags.
All right, folks, we're almost like the dock. Paddles up for me. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Stroke. Stroke.
Yeah, good
All
job.
right, guys, almost there. Go ahead and take those paddles out of the water for me, guys.
Up,
Stick them
up,
straight
up.
up and down
Put
at
'em
your
up.
feet.
Put them up like
Watch
this.
your hands and fingers as we
We gotta
come in
go
the
like
dock.
this.
Please remain seated.
So we can get off and then we'll go back on. You have to just hands to the side of the boat.
All right, y'all. Nice and loud for everyone in line. Did you guys have fun?
Yes!
Are we ready to go again? No. Correct answers no.
Oh no!
Isaac and I, we're going to be going again. And again and again till 4 o'clock.
They're gonna keep going.
All right, stay seated for me, folks.
Back.
All right, guys. I gotta say, you were all outstanding.
Thank you.
Hold on, guys. Hold on. Where's the hurry? Definitely wasn't out there.
I got it.
All right, guys. I gotta say, you were all outstanding. Now go be outstanding somewhere else for me. Look down at your feet, watch your step, and hop on out for me, guys.